Angola is a country of contrasts. Untamed wilderness, breathtaking landscapes, and bustling urban energy. In this video, we'll explore Angola's natural wonders, cultural highlights, and hidden gems that most travelers never see. If you're ready to experience Africa in its raw beauty and vibrant cities, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more travel guides. Angola, located on Africa's southwest coast, is a country of diverse landscapes, vibrant culture, and untamed wilderness. From bustling cities to sprawling savannas, dense rainforests to golden beaches, Angola offers an adventure for every type of traveler. Often overlooked due to its complex history, the country has emerged as a destination where urban sophistication meets raw natural beauty, creating unforgettable experiences. Whether you're exploring the capital's modern streets, trekking through national parks, or immersing yourself in local culture, Angola promises surprises at every turn. Let's explore its secrets, counting down from 10 to 1.10. Luanda, coastal capital of contrasts. The capital city, Luanda, is where Angola's energy and diversity come alive. Its skyline is dotted with modern skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and residential towers, while neighborhoods like the Cidade Alta preserve Portuguese colonial architecture, cobbled streets, and historic landmarks. The marginal promenade along the Atlantic Ocean is perfect for walks at sunrise or sunset, offering panoramic views of the sea and city life. Luanda's markets, including Roque Santero, one of the largest in Africa, provide a feast for the senses, from fresh seafood to handmade crafts. The city is also a cultural hub with art galleries, theaters, and music venues showcasing samba and kizomba, Angola's iconic musical styles. For visitors, Luanda is the perfect introduction to Angola's urban pulse and vibrant culture. 9. Ilha do Mussulo, tropical peninsula escape. Just a short drive from Luanda, Ilha do Mussulo is a tropical peninsula offering a tranquil escape from the city. Its calm lagoons and golden beaches make it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Visitors can enjoy water sports such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and sailing, or simply relax under the sun. Beachfront restaurants serve freshly caught seafood and local specialties, providing a taste of Angola's coastal cuisine. Mussulo's laid-back atmosphere contrasts sharply with Luanda's urban energy, offering an ideal balance between city exploration and beach relaxation. 8. Kalandula Falls, a hidden natural wonder in northern Angola. Kalandula Falls is one of the country's most impressive natural attractions. Towering over 100 meters, this waterfall cascades into a lush, green gorge, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The surrounding landscape is ideal for hiking, photography, and wildlife observation. Kalandula Falls is not just a visual marvel. It also reflects Angola's untamed natural beauty and the incredible diversity of its ecosystems. Visiting this area offers a chance to connect with nature and experience one of Angola's most pristine and tranquil environments. 7. Namibe Desert and Welwitschia Plants. The Namibe Desert, stretching along Angola's southwest coast, is a place of stark beauty and solitude. Its rolling dunes, rocky outcrops, and sparse vegetation create a landscape unlike anywhere else. Among the desert's most remarkable features are the Welwitschia mirabilis, ancient plants that can live over 1,000 years. This desert is ideal for photographers, adventurers, and anyone seeking a profound connection with nature. The Namibe region is also home to the indigenous Himba people, whose traditional lifestyles offer insight into survival and culture in one of Africa's most extreme climates. 6. National parks. Iona, Kamiaye, and Bikure. Angola boasts numerous national parks, each offering unique ecosystems and wildlife experiences. Iona National Park, located in Namibe Province, features vast desert landscapes, volcanic rock formations, and species adapted to arid conditions, like oryx and springbok. Kamiaye National Park in the northeast is a wetland paradise, with lakes, marshes, and savannas supporting elephants, antelopes, and a variety of bird species. Bikure National Park offers forested landscapes and is home to diverse flora and fauna, providing opportunities for hiking and wildlife photography. These parks are less crowded than other African safari destinations, making them ideal for travelers seeking authentic encounters with nature. Point 5. Benguela and the Atlantic coast. The coastal city of Benguela offers a mix of colonial charm, modern life, and beautiful beaches. Long stretches of golden sand, turquoise waters, and secluded bays make it perfect for beach lovers. Coastal drives from Benguela to Lobito reveal cliffs, hidden coves, and picturesque fishing villages. Surfing, deep-sea fishing, and simply relaxing on the shore are popular activities. The area also showcases Angola's rich maritime culture, from traditional fishing techniques to fresh seafood markets. Benguela perfectly illustrates the diverse coastal experiences Angola has to offer. Point 4. Wambo, Central Highlands and agricultural heart. Wambo, in Angola's Central Highlands, contrasts sharply with the country's deserts and coastal cities. Surrounded by fertile hills and agricultural fields, it is considered Angola's food basket. Coffee plantations, local farms, and small villages offer travelers insight into rural life. Wambo's markets bustle with fresh produce, grains, and artisanal products, and visitors can enjoy authentic experiences like sampling local foods or learning about traditional farming methods. The region's moderate climate and lush landscapes make it an ideal stop for those seeking nature, culture, and rural authenticity. Point 3. Angolan culture, music, dance, and festivals. Angola's cultural heritage is vibrant and expressive. Semba and Kizomba, traditional music and dance styles, are central to social gatherings and celebrations. Annual festivals celebrate music, art, food, and community, showcasing both traditional and contemporary creativity. Local markets, street performances, and art galleries reflect Angola's artistic energy. Engaging with these cultural elements offers travelers a deeper understanding of Angola's identity, its resilience, and the joy that permeates everyday life. Point 2. Adventure and outdoor activities. Angola is an adventurer's dream. The coastline offers surfing, kiteboarding, sailing, and deep-sea fishing. Inland, the highlands, mountains, and national parks provide opportunities for trekking, mountain biking, safaris, and wildlife observation. Hiking in the Huila Mountains or exploring the desert landscapes of Namibe gives travelers access to both physical challenges and natural beauty. Angola's varied geography ensures that every journey offers something new, from serene beaches to rugged mountains. Point 1. Angola's hidden charm, resilience, and discovery. Angola's true allure lies in its diverse landscapes, urban vibrancy, and resilient people. Its history of colonialism, civil conflict, and recovery has created a country with depth, character, and warmth. Every region tells a story, from the bustling streets of Luanda to the remote dunes of Namibe, from music-filled festivals to pristine national parks. Angola challenges travelers to go beyond the familiar, offering experiences that are raw, authentic, and unforgettable. Its combination of urban energy and untamed wilderness makes Angola a destination that is both adventurous and culturally enriching. From wild savannas and pristine coasts to the lively streets of Luanda, Angola is a destination full of surprises. If this video helped you discover the country's hidden treasures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.